Three flights from Italy brought 417 seafarers to Goa, shifted to quarantine. One of the flights takes back 100 Italians stranded in Goa. High Court gives nod to conduct SSC exams from Thursday. Chief Minister says arrangements have been made for students to answer in a stress-free environment. Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar says he has written to central government about organizing national games, hinting lives are more important. Goans not happy over the arrival of trains into state. Social activist questions logic even as two Rajdhani bring in more passengers. Hello and welcome. I am Brian Sequeira. Now the news in detail. Around 417 seafarers landed at Daboli on Wednesday. They came by 3 flights from Italy. They were later taken to their place of quarantine. 100 Italians stranded in Goa were also taken to Italy by one of the flights.
The seafarers were working abroad for ships, namely Costa de Dema, Costa Pacifica, Costa Esmeralda and Costa Victoria. There was a medical team at the Goa Dabolim International Airport to check the arriving seafarers. The seafarers later left for the quarantine places by bus. Each bus carried only 20 passengers plus 1 or 2. More flights are all set to arrive in Goa in next 2 to 3 days or in upcoming week.
Just happy to announce that we reached safely from Italy. It was a long journey though, but we are very happy we are home. And we want to thank each and everyone who helped us to be here. First of all, our company who never left us alone, considering the pandemic, and they took good care of us and made us return home. We also thank all the members of Goan Seafarers Association who are constantly in touch with us, giving us moral boost and fighting for our cause. I want to thank also all our friends from other companies also were in touch with us, giving us moral support and inputs from their companies also. Finally, I want to thank each and everyone who help us to stay calm, stressless and happy. Just to inform you, we are from 4 ships of Costa Diadema, Costa Pacifica, Costa Esmeralda and Costa Victoria. We are altogether 168 crew members, all safe, sound and fit. This I also want to give one message to all the people who were against us to bring us home. I want to tell them that we are as safe and as fit as could be, and there is nothing they can get illness or sickness from us, because we are fit, we are fine and we are healthy. And as long as we will be isolated and you will be in your homes, so there is no contact, there cannot be any contact between you and us, so you don't have to worry for anything.
आणि आमी हांगा येयल्या तांकां एक सपोर्ट दिवपाक आमचे दुसरे येयले आहाय, सो तांकां एक सपोर्ट दिवपाक कितें तांकां मातशें बेगीन जाता तितले बेगीन ते फॉर्मेलिटीज तांगे चॅकींग मेडिकल बी करून तांकां बेगीन भायर काडून तांकां मातशें रिलॅक्स जावपाक, बिकॉज 3 म्हयन्यांनी ते बाडी येयले आनी व्हेरी हॅपी. 168 गोवन आहा सारके, ऑल आर गोवन. So the next flight is also coming later on, and third flight आहा ती मातशें डिले जाल्या because of some reason we don't know, but it's a good news that the seafarers are starting to arrive, better late than never. आणि ब्राझीलासून देखून आनी 2 फ्लायटो चार्टर्ड बुक जाल्या, ते 28 and 29 देखून तेमी परमिशन मेळ्ळा म्हणून सांगलां. गोंयकार आर very happy that Costa and MSC companies are trying to charter as much as they can to send the crew home.
Meanwhile, some of the seafarers from Navili met their local MLA, Luisin Falero, and asked him to make a representation to the union government for a free quarantine for their sailors.
आमी सांगिल्लें तेका गव्हर्मेंटान पेड क्वॉरंटायन केलें तें फ्री क्वॉरंटायन करपा पडटा. तेणें आमकां एश्युरन्स दिलो आहा. आपण सेंटरा पासून फोन मारता खंय आनी कोणा फोन बीन मारपा जाय तो आपण मान
ते पेड आहा ते मातशें फ्री करपाक आपण वावुरतो म्हूण सांगिल्लें ताणें. आनी आतां गोवा गव्हर्मेंटा सांगता आमगे पेड आहा ते मातशें फ्री कराय तुमी.
आमी तारोटी सगळेच आमी तुमचे भाशेन काम करतात. आम लोकां भाशेन जे किदरेल घर बांदूं वयता तेच भाशेन आमी जे आहाय गोंयचे ते आमी दोयऱ्यां काम करतात. केन्ना आमकां दिसना हाल्याचो दीस आमकां मेळत काय मू. आमी सगळेच कामां दुडवां लागून पयशां लागून सगळेच काम करताय. पूण आमकां हिंगा पेड क्वॉरंटायन केलें जाल्यार आमी आमगे बायल भुरग्यांक मागीर कितें हावरतले. कंपनी वेलिंगनेस दाखयला म्हूण क्वॉरंटायन कंपनी बेर कोत्तले म्हूण कॉस्ट. पूण कितें गॅरंटी आहा फाल्यां आमी बोटीचेर गेले आनी आमचे ते पयशे पगारांतल्यान काट कोत्तले आमी तुमचे पेड क्वॉरंटायन गांवांत फारीक केलेले म्हणून ते आमचे पयशे काट कोत्तले. मागीर ऑटोमॅटिकली कितें जालें इट्स अ पेड क्वॉरंटायन जालें. सो हेका लागून आमी सगळे तारोटी जे हांगा आसात ते स्ट्रॉंगली सरकारा कडेन मागतात आनी डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंता कडेन मागतात प्लीज कितेंय कर आनी ह्या भुरग्यांक फ्री क्वॉरंटायन दी.
Our reporters Sandeep Tuekar in Navelim and Hiru Mahale at the Goa Dapalim International Airport for Goa 365.
The High Court finally gave nod to hold SSC examinations. The government can now go ahead to hold SSC examinations as per schedule. The exams will begin from Thursday. Chief Minister Pramod Sawant said arrangements have been made for the students to answer the papers in a stress-free environment.
The matter of conducting SSC exams during the lockdown was pending in the High Court. Some parent-teachers associations had approached the court asking it to postpone the exams. The High Court in its order gave green signal to conduct the exams. The Chief Minister said the students from neighbouring states appearing for Goa board exams will answer the papers in their nearby centres. There is no need for them to come to Goa to answer the exams. Advocate General gave details of the hearing.
Permitted the government to complete, conduct and effectively hold the exam for standard 10th and 12th on the basis of the letter of the Ministry of Home Affairs, whereby the Honorable High Court has now cleared the way for successfully completing the SSC examination, and there is no legal impediment in now holding the examination. And the stand of the government that it is right and it is proper for the benefit and for the students community to hold these exams at this stage has been vindicated by today's order of the High Court, and High Court has disposed of the petitions without granting any relief to them. Our understanding is that it does not mention anything over the examination. At no point of time or at no place in that order examination of any sort is prohibited, and that is our interpretation of that order, and on the basis of that we had proceeded to hold this examination. Now insofar as neighbouring students from the neighbouring states are concerned, we have told the High Court that we have made arrangements for these students in their respective states, and there are 4 sub-centers in Maharashtra and 2 sub-centers in Karnataka which will be holding these exams for these students which are out of state, and that no teacher or no personnel from Goa will have to go there. The teachers and personnel from that states will hold these exams. We had not asked for any special permission, but we had only requested that we are holding this examination, so please permit us to hold. And the MHA has passed an order saying that it is permitted. The key arrangements which the government has made are there will be approximately 12 to 13 students in each class. There will be a proper safe distance kept between 2 students. Then there will be proper sanitization facilities, the classes and all the infrastructure there in the sub-centers would be provided with proper sanitization facilities. Toilets etc. will be sanitized properly in all schools in the interest of the students.
कोर्टान दिल्ल्या त्याच्या निकालाचो आदर करता आनी 10वीच्या भुरग्यांचे मानसीक ताण ज्या ताणा सकयल भुरगीं वयतालीं तांचे पेरंट्स तांकां इतको टेंशन आशिल्लें, म्हाका दिसता कोर्टान ह्या सगळ्या गोश्टीचो कन्सिडर करून आनी खास करून MHAनूय बी आमकां ही परीक्षा घेवपा खातीर परमीट केली, कारण गोंयांत आयिल्ले सगळे पेशंट हे इम्पोर्टेड पेशंट आशिल्ले, हांगासरलो कोण ना, हांगा कम्युनिटी ट्रान्समिशन ना आनी गोवा बोर्डान ठरयल्या प्रमाणे ती परीक्षा घेवपाची जशें महाराष्ट्रान आनी कर्नाटकान हें ठरयलां. कारण परीक्षे कडेन तरी कोणी राजकारण करपाक जायना आसलें. म्हणजे महाराष्ट्रान सेंटर केल्या, कर्नाटकान सेंटर केला हाचो विचार करपाक जाय आसलो. ईच एंड एवरीथींग जितकी प्रिकॉशन्स घेवपाक जाय जाल्यार कोणी आनीक कितें प्रिकॉशन घेवपाक जाय ती सजेस्ट करची.
Former headmistress and Kottalim MLA Alina Saldana has favored government's decision to hold SSA exams.
I think more than 2,000 classrooms are prepared for these students. So every precaution is being taken. These exams students have to answer. We don't know what the future holds. Right now, all precautions are in place. Let the exams happen. Because children have studied, they are prepared now. How many times can we tell them, okay, you're prepared now, sorry, you can't answer again? You know, it is causing a mental turmoil for the students also. Let them answer and get over with it.
Amar Chavriya and Irsha Sheikh for Goa 365 from Panji.
Goa Board of Higher Secondary conducted its examinations as per schedule on Wednesday. Exams were held at various centers across the state, observing social distancing and safety norms.
The 12th standard exams of Arts, Science and Commerce that had started before the lockdown began with interrupted as the lockdown came into force. However, only 2 papers were pending. The exams of these 2 papers began on Wednesday. Students were told to queue up before the entrance, keeping 2 meters distance. At the entrance, students were asked to sanitize their hands using the foot-operated sanitizers before entering. Their temperature was also checked before they entered the examination hall. Finally, the students were asked to wear masks and keep 1 meter distance while sitting.
सो आता मास्क घालून तुम्ही 3 वरां तशी कंटिन्युअस हे केल्या त्रास जावंक ना काय?
ना त्रास घेवचे पडटा न्हू. आतां कोरोना आसा सो आमकां त्रास घेवन पेपर बरोवचे पडटा. कित्याक तो आतां दुयेंस वाडटा न्हू, तो आनीक वाडोवंक जायना म्हणून करचें पडटा.
आनी आतां भितून तुमचें सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग मेंटेन केल्लें?
हय केल्लें
न्ही. मास्क घालून तुमी कंटिन्युअस पेपर बरयलो. ओके. सो तुमकां काय हे जावंक ना, त्रास जावंक ना?
मातशी ब्रिदींग करपाक जाय आसलेली, मात मदीं मदीं सराक सांगलें आमकां थोडें सोडा म्हणून आनी तें हेल्प केलें. मात त्रास मदीं मदीं जाता चड टायम जाल्ल्या उपरांत.
सो आतां सॅनिटायझर बी तुमकां भितून चडटाना दिल्ले?
हय दिल्ले, वयताना येतानाय आमकां दिल्ले.
सोशल डिस्टन्सिंग आसले, लायक आमकां लागीं रावपाक दिनासले. भितून एंटर करतना आमकां सॅनिटायझर दिल्लो एंड लायक एक बेंच सोडून लायक भुरग्यांक बसयल्ले.
आतां मास्क बी घालून पेपर बरोबर
ना. इफ सांगलेलें इफ तुमकां त्रास जाता देन आपूण तुमकां टायम दिता, भायर वचा, रिलॅक्स रावा आनी परत येवन पेपर बरया. लायक म्हाजो तर वो लास्ट पेपर, सो म्हाज्या हिसपान तेन्नाच जावपाक जाय आसलो, बट एकदां जालो सो सुटलें तें.
The exam was conducted very good. There was a good social distancing, minimum 2 meters, 2.5 meters. There was no any problem. All was everything done fine. And the principal also is newly taken the charge. He also managed well. All the teachers, staff, they managed. Even PTA members, 4-5 PTA members also came. They also cooperated and nicely functioned. And exam got over. No problem. No, not a single student having that problem.
मास्क घातलो. भितर सरच्या पयलीं आमकां डायरेक्ट सॅनिटायज केल्लें आसा. भायर हें दवरलेलें आसा सॅनिटायझर आनी ते पांयान पुश करप तें सुद्दां हात लायनासता. सो तेतून सेफ्टी आनी मेंटेन जाता. आनी दुसरें म्हटल्यार पेपर बरयता तेन्ना एक सर येता आनी सगळ्यांचो टेम्परेचर चॅक करता. ते एक तेमी बरें केल्लें आसा. आनी त्या खातीर स्टुडंट्सांक कांय टेंशन ना की आमकां जोर बी येयलो जाल्यार चॅक करतले आनी कितें जालें जाल्यार आमकां त्याच टायमार भायर वता.
एक्सपिरियन्स कसो आशिल्लो विथ मास्क?
मास्क जाता मातशी गरमी जाता पूण सेफ्टी मेंटेन करपाक करची पडटा आमकां हें सगळें. एक सायडीन बरें जाल्लें आसा.
So we have taken initiative now. Today is the exam for science students. A few people is remaining. So we are trying to maintain social distancing, trying to create awareness with these people regarding this COVID-19.
आज मराठी पेपर बरोवन येयलो सगळे बरें आसलेलें. हांव खूब हॅपी आहा गव्हर्मेंटान हांवें पेपर दवरलो म्हणून. प्रॉपर सॅनिटायझेशन केलेलें आनी 1 बेंच डिस्टन्स दवरलेलो सगळें सारकें आसलेलें. हांव खूब हॅपी आहा म्हाजो पेपर सोंपलो म्हणून.
हांव एग्जाम जाली ती बरी जाली आतां
जाली बरी बट इट वॉज लायक अ फियर न्ही की कोणाक कितें आसा जाल्यार येवपाक शकता.
पेपर कसो आशिल्लो?
पेपर वॉज
न्हू एग्जाम आतां घेतली ती बरी जाली काय फुडें धुकलपाक जाय आशिल्ली?
ना फुडें धुकलपाक जाय आशिल्ली बिकॉज एक्झाम इज नॉट मोर इम्पॉर्टंट दॅन आवर लायफ. सो आमकांय खबर ना इवन सुपरवायझर आसपाक शकता भुरग्यांक आसपाक शकता सो एक फियर आसता न्ही.
Our reporters Sandeep Tuekar in Margaon, Krishna Naik in Ponda, Sandeep Kamulkar in Mapusa, videos journalist Irshad Sheikh in Panaji for Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. Tourism and Sports Minister Babu Asgaonkar said that he had written to the central authorities asking them what to do about the national games that were slated to be held in the state in October. But life is more important. So we have to decide, he said. Here's more.
The off-delay games were finally supposed to begin in the month of October by the 20th. And the launch had already happened in Goa. However, due to the coronavirus mandated lockdown, there is a lot of uncertainty regarding these games now. Though the MHA guidelines say the sports activities can take place, but without any spectators.
जीव सगळ्यांनी सांबाळटालो हे ट्रिटमेंट घेवपाक जाय नाल्यार कांय ना. म्हाका ते सायडीन आज म्हाका लेटर आयलें तुमचे आयोचे नॅशनल गेम केन्ना करता काय म्हणून आमकां ऑक्टोबरान केल्ली जाय म्हणून. जीव सांबाळटालो ते नॅशनल गेमी पळयतले तांकां जाल्ली जाय. ते आमी आतां होम मिनिस्ट्रीक कळयला लेटर घालून कितें करपाचें करप काय ना करप कितें तें सांगात म्हणून आमी तयार आहात.
Babu is also the tourism minister and he spoke on what could possibly be done to jumpstart the bleeding tourism sector of the state. Watch to what he has to say in this.
टुरिझम आमकां फुडें व्हरपाक काल हांवें एक सजेशन घातलें टुरिझमाक. टुरिझम आमकां स्टार्ट करतलो जाल्यार कितें करपाक जाय अशें दवरून कांय तांकां म्हटलेलें की पयलीं जे येतात तांकां टेस्ट करून हाडात आनी मागीर हांगा टेस्ट करात आनी तांकां सोडात गोंयांत. पण ह्यो गोश्ट जो कोण येतलो तेणें जे टुरिझमाचे जे रेजिडेन्सी आहा टुरिझमाची रजिस्टर जाल्ले आहात हॉटेलां थंयच तेणें बुकींग दाखोवपाक जाय आपलें पयलीं बुकींग. नाल्यार आतां येतात आनी खंयच्या घरांनी रावतात कोण येता कितें येता कांय कळना म्हणून ते पयलीं रजिस्टर दाखोवपाचें. टुरिझमा भितर जे रजिस्टर जाल्यात हॉटेलां तेंचें बुकींग तेणें दाखोवपाचें टेस्ट करपाचो कितले दीस रावतलो असो करपाचो आनी तें भितर घेवपाचें.
Our reporter Sandeep Kamulkar for Goa 365 in Perine.
A biggest single day jump of 5,747 COVID-19 cases were reported in India in the last 24 hours. 140 deaths till now were reported and 3,076 patients have recovered. Figures for Maharashtra touched 37,000.
A total of more than 1,007 international travelers have been placed in home quarantine in the state. Also, around 4,500 domestic passengers are under home quarantine. Around 300 persons are in hospital isolation. Almost 10,000 samples have been sent for testing. India has reported 1,06,886 COVID-19 positive cases till date, and active cases have crossed 60,000 mark. 3,303 deaths are reported and 42,298 patients have recovered. Maharashtra is leading with 37,000 cases, followed by Gujarat 11,760, Tamil Nadu 11,745 and Delhi 10,054 cases. More than 1.13 lakhs COVID-19 cases were reported worldwide in single day. The COVID-19 cases have crossed 50 lakhs mark. 3.25 lakh deaths are reported and more than 19.72 lakhs have recovered. Bureau Report, Goa 365.
We will take a short break. Stay with us. Welcome back. There has been disquiet in the state over trains coming into Goa and people being indiscriminately allowed to enter the state. On Wednesday, social activist Tara Kerkar questioned over this even as two Rajdhani Express arrived in Goa with passengers.
There are a lot of eyebrows raised by people over the influx of people into the state, especially after the number of infected suddenly spiked. On one side, there are thousands of migrants trying to go back while others are coming into Goa. On Wednesday, two Rajdhani trains arrived with passengers.
आमचे गोय ग्रीन झोनान असलेले आणि आता पळयल्यार रेड झोनान जाले म्हणजे कलिंगडाची दशा आमची जाली भायल्यान ग्रीन दिसताले भितरल्यान रेड असलेले आता गव्हर्नमेंटाक आमी सपोर्ट म्हणून तरी करपाचो तो कसो हांव चीफ मिनिस्टर प्रमोद सावंताक विचारूंक सोदतां बाबा हे तूं ट्रेनीनसून दिल्लीसून जे लोक हाडले ते गोंयचे असलेले तांकां कित्याक हाडूंक जाय असलेले बरें गोंयचे लोक आसा सीमेन आसा तांकां तूं हाडटा तांकां क्वॉरंटायनींग करता तूं सगळें करता बरें आसा हे भायले लोक टुरिस्ट म्हणून येता महाराष्ट्रानसून लोक येता भितरल्या भितर पुलीस स्टेशन भितरल्यान सोडटा म्हणून सुद्दां कंप्लेन आसता आमच्या सर्वे प्रमाणे पळयले जाल्यार सगळ्या वटेन लोक हळूहळू गोंयांत येवपाक सोदता तुम्ही सगळ्यात पहिली मायनिंग स्टार्ट केले ग्रीन झोन आसा म्हणून डिक्लेअर केले आणि हांगा टुरिस्ट आता हाडपाचे आसा हो टायम आसा टुरिस्ट बिरीज हाडपाचो हे भायल्या लोकांक भितर घेवपाचे आणि जे गोंयचे असलेले तांकां तूं कितें करता जाल्यार एक गजाल वेगळी आसलेली आता इस्कॉलाची भुरग्यांची एग्जाम सुद्दां आसा ती सुद्दां पोस्टपोन करपाची म्हणून आवय बापूय भियेल्ली आसा कितले 35-40 इतले जाले हांगासर कितें तुमचें नाटक चल्लां खंय तुमची कामां आसा तुजे MLA आसा ते म्हणटा नाका हांगा कोण लागून ते लोक आतां रस्त्यार देंवतले म्हणटा अशा रितीने जर काम जालें जाल्यार कशें जाता सगळ्या पयलीं आमच्या तुमकां चीफ मिनिस्टराक तेजे कॅबिनेट आसा तेच सपोर्ट करिना कशें जातलें गोंयचें तुमी हाडले आनी वास्को सगळ्यांक दवरल्या क्वॉरंटायनींग करपाक आणि क्वॉरंटायनींग करपाक इतले लोकांनी पैसे दिल्ले आसा दान तरी सुद्दां त्या लोकांचे पैसे घेवपाची कसली गरज म्हणजे तुम्ही बिझनेस करपाचें चालू केला का कितें ह्या क्वॉरंटायनींग जाल्या उपरांत तेंची 2,500 रुपया घेवपाक हो बिझनेस चालू करपाक लागून तुम्ही परत रेड झोन केलो का कितें असलो आमकां दुबाव मारता म्हणून हेजेर लक्ष दिवपाची चड गरज आसा लोक सद्या चाळावले आसा लोक खंय कितें करीत कांयच सांगपाक जायना एक तर घरान उपाशी रावपाचें काम धंदो ना बेकार आसा आणि तुमची ही असली नाटकां पळोवन लोक चाळावतले.
This video is going viral on social media. It talks about 30 trucks carried by Ro-Ro train which came directly to Verna railway station.
आम्ही हिंगा वेर्ना कोंकण रेल्वे रुटा कडेन टोटल हेंगेल्यो 7 गाडी हाडायलाय आनी ह्यो गाडी तेंगे आत पोतून येताय त्या भायर तेंगेल्यो 7 गाडी हूंय ऑलरेडी गेले हिंगसो सुटले आता हे जे गोंया येयले हे कोंकण रेल्वेन येयले गुडूस ट्रेनीचे येयले आनी हेंकोडे हेंचे आजून देखून मेडिकल जालना आनी मेडिकल जायना आसतना हे गोंया भितर चले हेंको प्रूफ काय ना मेडिकलाचो ना मू गाडयेचे तेंगे परमिशन ना हे गोंया भितर चले आनी आतां 7 जण ऑलरेडी आख्खे गोंया पावले म्हाका विचारपाक जाय CM कडेन बाबा हे चलत ते कितें हेंका कोण परमिशन दिला गोंया येवपाक थोडे रायगडसो येयले थोडे नोयडासो येयले थोडे दुसरी कडेसो येयले बट जे हुंयसो येयले ते रेड झोनासान गोंया येयले.
With that, we have come to the end of this news bulletin. For more news and updates, log into our website www.goa365.tv. Follow us on Facebook Goa365 TV and subscribe our YouTube channel Goa365 TV. Or download our app on both Android and iPhones to watch it on your mobile. Keep watching Goa365.